Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and set up on my new Type-C to HDMI adapter. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. If you got like the new iPhone, iPad, or Android phones, you're definitely going to want this one, especially if you want to hook it up to your TV like directly or to a monitor or anything like that. So you get your user manual right there. And then, oh, I like that cable. Check it out. So you plug in your HDMI here, Type-C here. Let's go and actually hook up my iPad to the TV to see how it actually works. But just right off the bat, you can just tell good quality cable. Like I said, I like that braided style cable right there, but let's go and actually test it out. All right guys, so I got the adapter. Gonna go ahead and plug in the HDMI to it, and then we'll plug in the other part to the TV. And then we'll take that Type-C and plug it into our laptop. Let's go ahead and actually load it up. And as you can see, it's already displaying on there. It's super simple to use, plug and play, no drivers needed. So whether it's for your laptop, iPad, iPhone, so any cell phone's got that Type-C adapter, you're able to hook it up. Quality looks really good. So if you guys are looking for a new HDMI to Type-C adapter, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.